Hi there, and welcome. Today we're unlocking the amazing world of the scientific study of language. We'll explore what linguistics is, its important branches, real-life examples, and the groundbreaking ideas of three legendary linguists, Saussure, Bloomfield, and Chomsky. Ready? Let's dive in. Linguistics is the scientific study of language, how it is structured, how it works, and how it's used by people around the world. It's not just about learning languages, it's about understanding the systems and rules that make communication possible. Think about how a 3-year-old learns to say, "I want juice," without anyone teaching them formal grammar rules. That's the kind of hidden system linguists study, the unseen magic behind everyday speech. Linguistics is a science because it collects data, observes patterns, forms hypotheses, and tests theories, just like biology or physics. It doesn't just guess, it studies language systematically. A linguist might record hundreds of people saying the word butter, and discover that Americans often pronounce it as butter, a phenomenon called "that's scientific observation." Now let's explore the major branches of linguistics, each shining a light on a different side of language. Phonetics studies the sounds we produce. Notice how the sound in think and this feels different in your mouth? Phonetics explains how speech sounds are physically made and heard. Phonology looks at how sounds behave within a particular language. In English, /p/and/b/ distinguish pat from bat. But in some languages these sounds aren't treated as different. Morphology studies how words are built from smaller parts called morphemes. Runner equals run, the base word, plus a suffix meaning someone who does something. Syntax studies sentence structure. She loves ice cream is a valid sentence, but ice cream she loves sounds poetic because it bends normal syntax rules. Semantics deals with meaning. The sentence "time flies like an arrow" is about how time moves quickly, not about insects following an arrow. Pragmatics studies how context affects meaning. If you say, "Can you open the window?" you're not questioning ability, you're politely asking someone to do it. Graphology studies the visual aspects of written language. Think about how using all caps in a text message makes it seem like you're shouting. Lexicology studies words, their meanings, relationships, and usage. Exploring why slim sounds positive while skinny often sounds negative, even though they mean similar things. Now let's meet three brilliant minds who transformed linguistics forever. Ferdinand de Saussure is known as the father of modern linguistics. He introduced structuralism, the idea that language is a system of interrelated signs. A sign consists of two parts, the signifier, which is the sound or written form of a word, and the signified, which is the concept it represents. The word tree is just a signifier. The concept of an actual tree is the signified. There's no natural connection between them. It's agreed by convention. Leonard Bloomfield advanced behaviorist linguistics, emphasizing the scientific description of languages without focusing on meaning or mental states. Language study should be based only on observable and measurable behavior. He contributed greatly to descriptive linguistics, recording and analyzing language as it is spoken. When documenting Native American languages, Bloomfield focused purely on sound patterns and grammar structures without speculating on speaker intentions. Noam Chomsky revolutionized linguistics with his theory of generative grammar and the idea of universal grammar. Humans are born with an innate ability to learn language, a built-in linguistic toolkit. Every child, regardless of culture, can learn any human language naturally. Even without formal teaching, children around the world create complex sentences by age 3 or 4 because their brains are hardwired for language. So, what have we learned? Linguistics is the science behind language, studying everything from sounds and sentence structures to meanings and writing systems. Thanks to thinkers like Saussure, Bloomfield, and Chomsky, we now better understand the invisible rules that guide our daily communication. Language isn't just what we say, it's how we think, relate, and connect as humans. Thanks for joining us on this journey through the science of language. Don't forget to keep exploring the amazing world of linguistics.